Is it time to buy or sell Meta stock? In this video, we will explore Meta in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Monday, the 14th of October, 2024, and now we are here to offer you a more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analyses. You wouldn't want to miss any critical updates that could influence your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Harness the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Since the 12th of September, 2024, our system has identified Meta as a buy candidate, assigning it a score of 3.01. Let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. Those who adhered to our analysis would have reaped an impressive gain of 12.33% since we initially designated Meta as a buy candidate 23 days ago. This equates to an average return of 0.54% each day since it was categorized as a buy candidate. The stock is currently positioned within a robust upward trend in the short term, indicating a likelihood of continued growth. The recent 3-month trend points to a potential increase of approximately 24.55% over the next 3 months, with expected returns ranging between 15.78% and 28.08%. Looking at the 12-month trend, it suggests a significant change of around 68.93% over the next year, with possible returns between 45.47% and 72.20%. This would result in a projected price range between $858.90 and $1,016.71 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for Meta includes the headline, Green Day on Monday for Meta stock after gaining approximately 0.0797%. The Meta stock price increased by approximately 0.0797% on the last trading day, Monday, the 14th of October, 2024, rising from $589.95 to $590.42. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated by 1.72%, with a day low at $589.97 and a day high of $600.09. The price has risen in 6 of the last 10 days and is up by approximately 3.14% over the past 2 weeks. Volume fell on the last day by 334,000 shares, and in total, 8 million shares were traded for approximately $4.83 billion. It is important to consider that falling volume on rising prices may indicate divergence and could serve as an early warning about potential changes in the coming days. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price was $602.95, and the lowest price was $279.40. Currently, the price is 2.08%, or $12.53, below the 52-week high of $602.95, which is also the all-time high for the stock. Meta Platforms is currently facing significant challenges and opportunities that could impact its stock price both in the short and long term. Recently, news emerged that Apple is reportedly developing smart glasses aimed at competing with Meta's Ray-Ban offerings. While this presents a competitive threat, Apple's timeline of 2027 might provide Meta with a critical window to solidify its position in the market. Looking ahead, Meta's third quarter results are projected to show strong revenues of $40.5 billion, despite anticipated substantial losses in its Reality Labs segment. Analysts are cautious, predicting a market cap contraction of around 4.3% over the next year, illustrating the tensions between current performance and long-term valuations. Mark Zuckerberg's investment of approximately $40 billion into artificial intelligence marks a pivotal moment for Meta. This move aims to bolster its competitiveness against both social media and generative AI rivals. However, pressure mounts as Meta faces technical difficulties, with notable outages reported for Facebook and Instagram recently, affecting thousands of users. These outages could hurt user engagement and, consequently, advertising revenue in the short term. Additionally, competition is heating up in the AI space, with Adobe rolling out new tools that challenge Meta's innovations. As the landscape evolves, investors will need to weigh these developments carefully as they evaluate Meta's potential for future growth. Overall, while there are solid gains expected in the short term, Meta's stock may face volatility as it navigates these challenges. Analyst ratings. On Monday, the 14th of October 2024, it was reported that Goldman Sachs assigned Meta a buy rating with a hold action. On Thursday, the 10th of October 2024, it was reported that Scotiabank assigned Meta a sector perform rating with an initialize action. On Thursday, the 10th of October 2024, it was reported that Raymond James assigned Meta a strong buy rating with a hold action. On Wednesday, the 9th of October 2024, it was reported that BMO Capital assigned Meta a market perform rating with a hold action. On Wednesday, the 9th of October 2024, it was reported that Cantor Fitzgerald assigned Meta an overweight rating with a hold action. Analysts have assigned Meta stock a general buy rating. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as a strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. Regarding return on investment, the analysts have given the stock a strong buy rating. The following signals have been identified for Meta. Mixed signals are evident in the stock today. A sell signal emerged from a pivot top point on Friday, the 4th of October, 2024, and thus far, the stock has declined by nearly 1%. Further declines are indicated until a new bottom pivot is established. Additionally, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. However, Meta stock also holds buy signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, suggesting a positive outlook for the stock. Furthermore, a general buy signal exists because the short-term average is positioned above the long-term average. In the event of downward corrections, there will be some support from the levels at $589.76 and $548.62. A drop below any of these levels will trigger sell signals. Notably, volume decreased during the last trading day despite an increase in prices, which creates a divergence between volume and price and may serve as an early warning. Therefore, the stock should be monitored closely. Here are some additional signals that you may find intriguing. The moving average convergence divergence indicates a sell signal. Pivots show a sell signal from 7 days ago. Bollinger signals a buy opportunity from 14 days ago. The short-term moving average has generated a sell signal 4 days ago. The long-term moving average indicates a sell signal from 28 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages provided a buy signal 47 days ago. When examining the 12-month chart, we observe the short moving average indicates a buy signal from 24 days ago. The long-term moving average generated a buy signal 50 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages provided a buy signal 43 days ago. For more signals, remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for Meta. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $497.74 and $488.14. There is an inherent risk involved when a stock is testing a support level. If this level is broken, the stock may then decline to the next support level. In this case, Meta finds support just below today's level at $497.74. If this level is breached, the next support from accumulated volume will be at $488.14, and $461.99. This stock experiences average movements during the day, and with good trading volume, the associated risk is considered to be medium. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by $10.12 between its high and low, which is a change of 1.72%. For the last week, the stock has had a daily average volatility of 1.60%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Meta, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This important ratio measures a company's current share price relative to its earnings per share. This is a relatively normal PE ratio, often seen in businesses with long track records or predictable revenues. In other news, the next earnings report for the third quarter of 2024 is expected on the 30th of October, 2024. Analyst consensus estimates are at $5.15. Keep an eye on these numbers, as they can significantly impact stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Meta. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Meta is at 590.51. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Meta encounters its first support level at 497.74. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Meta from various analyst sources is to buy. Now let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 8th of October, 2024, Ellie Susan J. executed an insider sale of 22,988 shares of Class A common stock. On the same day, Lee Susan J. also conducted an insider purchase of 22,988 shares of Class A common stock. Additionally, on the 8th of October, 2024, Newstead Jennifer carried out an insider sale of 905 shares of Class A common stock. On the 7th of October, 2024, Zuckerberg Mark conducted an insider sale of 392 shares of Class A common stock. On the same day, Zuckerberg Mark also made another insider sale of 100 shares of Class A common stock. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we find that the insider power is negative, with a ratio of negative 71.780. In summary, insiders purchased 22,988 shares and sold 149,860 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $570.35, which reflects a decrease of 3.4%. This stock experiences medium daily fluctuations, indicating a medium level of risk. Additionally, there is a sell signal derived from a pivot top identified 6 days ago. Is Meta stock a good buy? Several short-term signals, paired with an overall positive trend, suggest that the current level may present a strong buying opportunity, as there is a reasonable chance for Meta stock to perform well in the near future. After examining the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our analysis indicates that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Tuesday, the 15th of October, we anticipate Meta will open at $3.07 and begin trading at $593.49. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. Your investment decisions should not be based solely on information from StockInvest.us. By using this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. Here is our current perspective on the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for this stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us at Stock Invest.